Now let's proceed to the second move, which is establishing a niche. Ay, lagay pa tayo ng ayan. So move to establishing niche. Here, we have to establish yung pinaka-motivation for the study. Okay? And usually, short lang itong move na to. But we can actually provide lengthier discussion. Wala namang problem doon. Okay? So, what are the sub-moves? Una, claim something is wrong with the previous research. Second, okay, highlight a gap in the field. Next, raise a question where research in field is unclear. Lastly, contribute something additional to the field. Again, these are based on the CARS model. Okay? At dito po natin kinuha from this guide. Okay? From George Mason University. But actually, this guide, yan, ito po, yung mga sub-moves and moves, ay galing sa mismong work ni John Swales. Okay? Okay. Let's have the phrases. Okay? For 2A. For 2A, usually, ayan, ito. Nagpakita naman yung word na however. Yan. So, pwedeng, yan ang gamitin natin. However, has overlooked. Yan. Again, there are a lot more phrases that can be used. Okay? Hindi lang ito. Tapos, to date, only a limited number of studies have been conducted. Yan. Tapos, these studies have focused on. Yan. So, let's write. Okay? 2A. Yan. Existing research on research competence. O pwede rin natin gawin para hindi. Existing studies on research competence. However, have overlooked the perceptions. O for instance, ang study natin within the context of tourism and hospitality management students. Yan. Yung assessment of research competence ng tourism and hospitality management students. Yan. Then proceed to 2B. To date, copy na natin to. Only a limited number of studies have been conducted on research competence. Usually ito, kailangan meron tayong maipakita din na citation. Okay, this one is from Mars et al. 2022. Then these studies, ano yun? Ano yung mga studies na yun? This one, we can enumerate kung ano ba yung mga topics ng mga existing studies and also provide their corresponding citations. Focus on undergraduate, for instance, undergraduate education sciences students, yan, from Kiraso, Cali, 2022. This one is, I think meron tong et al. Yan. Tapos, undergraduate nutrition and dietetics students. Yan. 2015. Then, junior researchers at the PhD level. Mars et al. 2022. Then, teacher education students. Salmento et al. 2021. And prospective physical education teachers. Kono Nets 2021. Yan. So, if you think it would help na maglagay din ng local context, okay? Pwede nyo rin namang ilagay yun. For instance, in the Philippines, study on research competence. Lalo na kung yun lang yung study na nakita ninyo. Just to establish the research gap. Ano naman nangyari sa pangatin na yun? Carried out among secondary education pre-service teachers in the Philippines. Magnaye 2022. Okay. Check lang natin yung mga spelling. Yan. Okay. Okay. That's it. Okay. So, you'll notice here na ang nailagay lang natin or nalagyan lang natin ng content ng submoves ay 2A at 2B. Okay? So, pwede namang mangyari yon na hindi lahat ay ma-provide o mabigyan natin ng content. Like, pwede dito yung 2C at 2D ay wala tayong nailagay na relevant na arguments or relevant na sentences. Okay? But, kung ayaw nyo pang makakita ng mga reference materials that would allow you to establish yung 2C at 2D, ilagay ninyo para makumpleto yung move 2. Pero it's not necessarily naman na kailangan nating makumpleto. Lalo na kung hindi naman talaga applicable. Okay? But still, okay, this is just a guide. Okay? And also, we have to follow din kung ano ba yung sinasabi sa atin ng ating institution, na ating school, kung ano yung guideline pagdating sa pagsusulat ng introduction. Okay? At kung ano ang sasabihin sa atin ng ating research advisor. Okay? They know kung ano yung pinaka best way to write the components or the content of your research paper. Again, this is just a framework, this is just a guide, okay? Na pwede nating sundin, pwede nyo rin hindi sundin, but for the convenience of doing writing or convenience of writing your paper, this I think might help you, okay?